One-handed even. Shift! First.
It's a Canadian Tire, piece of shit. Give me a break. There.
I'll pull you out.
Oh! I didn't go anywhere. Go get the tractor. What?
I'll come get you. Well, I gotta pull start my poor old beast. Oh, bucked like a bronco. Guess you want me to go a little right of that, eh?
Go left, fuck. Go left, young man. Go left. Holy fuck.
We got into the truck ruts. That was a gooder.
Okay, go left.
Watch out for the other ruts.
Back up and get a run. Oh, look at me. I'm retarded.
Oh, trying to splash. Not bad.
Okay.
Okay.
You sure you want to do this?
Oh well.
I'm saying you should go through naked because you can get dressed later. I call that luck.
I do? Okay, you're recorded. Money boy! Money boy! This is not good. Oh, he made it. Damn.
I just begs to get cockier. I'm filthy boots. Boy, I'm getting awful cocky. Oh, vapor locked her.
Stupid shit. Swim for it!
Pretty much now. We don't need the tractor now.
No, I'm going home. See you later. Oh my god. YouTube material. Cocky asshole gets sunk. Yeah, push. That'll work.
I've created our own little oil slick. But I gotta step onto the back of the quad here. Oh, grab that 40-foot cable. No, grab that 40-foot. Yeah. I gotta stand on the back of this thing. I'm floating here.
Oh yeah. Stupid.
Grab that 40-foot cable with the chains on her. Because I'm creating our own artificial oil leak.
Okay, I'll be right back.
We've got our own golf oil slick.
The Gulf of Lone Spruce Farm.
Lone Spruce Farms oil slick.
Hey, you should check out the video I made. Go get the tractor. Sorry, salt.
All right, fire her up. Well, we're done buried right into the water here. We're gonna see if we can't end up not in the drink. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I was telling you to go slow. And of course, he puts me in the fucking drink. There goes the poor quad. And, oh, all the water out of my boots. Hold up, man, for fuck's